What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the OG family. Make sure y'all smash that like button. Subscribe to my channel only if you want to, bro. I'm excited to be back. Look, I couldn't even make it through that first part, bro. I'm excited to be back because, man, YouTube, once again was tripping. I'm back. Y'all know I would have been uploading, but y'all, look, we back into the rhythm, and y'all know videos is coming like every day. You feel me? But look, man, we got these mukbang fails that are too relatable. We just gonna hop straight into this video. I already know how this thing get down. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I don't even know if I know how to do YouTube anymore. Let's just get into this video. That's not relatable, bro, because I don't sit here and eat ice, bro. Let me know how many ice eaters out here in the world. I meant serial killers.
The world's hottest chocolate bar. This is so small.
That's what she said. Too early. Okay.
Wild. Okay, ready? 1, 2. Oh, why did I do this?
I feel her on this though. Remember I ate that chip? Okay.
Oh my god, my nose is so runny.
But her nose is bleeding.
Oh my god.
I'm telling you, these chips and that chocolate and stuff, I feel like it's melting your brain.
Oh, no. Oh. Never again. It's not worth it.
I feel you. I can't believe I would never eat anything like this. I'm never eating a geoduck either. Just because of what it looks like. It's gone? Bruh. Look, man. I don't know about y'all, bruh. I can't do the egg that's not cooked. And you pop it and then that shit start leaking out and then you just eat it. I'm having a hard time with this. She understand what she just did. Just ate a gross egg. Oh, it's gonna end bad. Brain freeze. The things that people do to entertain y'all. What? Why? Why? I don't know why Zach did it to himself. Hey, that's the first time I seen him for real not eat some shit. You feel me? He usually be eating like all of it. You feel me? I'm gonna go back and watch that whole video. That's funny. That's funny. Oh, that's real? your hand shrimp
I'm gonna
up.
get kimchi all over my bed. I'm gonna try and drink it.
Y'all like kimchi? I can honestly say I've never tried spoiled cabbage, but would you try it? Give me a list of weird things I should try. Comments down below. In this video, y'all made it this far, I can do these things for y'all. Listen in the comments down below. I'm gonna be looking for y'all comments. I will order all these things and I will try them for a video. You know, you try your weird snacks or your whatever you eat. Just let me know.
Oh, that's good. Holy, excuse me, guys.
Oh, she eating them black ass noodles.
Hits the spot. That was really, really so annoying. Holy, I am so sorry.
Oh man, not again. Don't put that on your lip. Hey, bro, I got PTSD about this one. Never again will I try that chip. I don't want to redeem myself. I don't want to do nothing. Like, no. I was never the same after this chip. That's real shit. Hey, bro, that was just real weird for me. That was real weird for me. I don't know about y'all. Was that weird for y'all? That shit was mega weird.
The challenge is if Daniel can open the pickles. People are trying to eat a whole gallon of pickles and trying to eat that pickle.
I think I can eat a whole gallon of pickles.
That's chewed up good if it comes back up.
They gonna have so much sodium, bro. They gonna blow up after this. You gonna drink it? Wow.
Woo! Oh boy. Oh man. I feel bad if that's all I ate too.
I like pickles, but that's crazy. No, you bet not.
Oh, come on.
Absolutely not. You know what I'm saying? That's one of those things, bro. I don't think I can ever do, bro. Like, I take that back. I can't eat a whole gallon of pickles, bro. Like, you seen what just happened to them. I'm not a superhuman on that type of tip, man. I'm not even a huge, like, consumer of large amounts of food anymore. You feel me? I can't even... You can imagine having that much sodium in your body, right? What it's gonna do to you. Especially me at this age, bro. Like, if I eat something with a little bit of sodium, I'm gonna gain like 20 pounds off rip. You feel me? And it's gonna take like a whole week to even get that off of me. You feel me? Look, I've been bulking up in the gym and everything too. It's gonna take a lot for me to like lose bulk. You feel me? Like the cut up and stuff, it takes a little longer than, you know, like 10 years ago. But, you know, I gotta watch out for myself. But look, man, let me know. Like I said, the snacks and stuff y'all want to see me do in this video right here in the comments. If you've never commented before, comment down here what y'all want. Research some things. It can be disgusting, whatever. I want to make this a little bit more interesting. And I'm going to be dropping those videos. I'm dropping the vlog channel. And that's where I'm going to be doing all these different types of videos. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be AKA my backup channel. And I'm going to do more videos on this discussing everything. I already have everything set up at this point. I'm just, you know, just getting back. So I don't want to drop all this information on y'all right away. So in the next couple days, I will be dropping a video explaining everything, what we're going to be doing from here. And yeah, like I always say, man, spread love because there's too much hate in this world. Love you guys. See y'all in the next video. And I'm out though. Blah.